Hi guys, Iros people, good morning. Today is Saturday. Mag-harvest ako ng laing and taro leaves kasi guys, sabik na ako magluto. And guys, malaki. This is about just a week lang, weeks pa lang. Ayan. Kasi panay ang ulan niya, kaya mabilis siyang dumami. Ayan. Ayan na guys, diba? I don't have to buy. Magtanim ay di biro. Pero, pag may tanim, may aanihin guys. Ito pa, sa dulo. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Kaya guys, pag mayroon kayong mga vacant dyan, you better plant. Kasi, malaking bagay ito. Kasi iba syempre, pag sariling tanim, diba guys, pag may sarili kang tanim, tsaka para makabuela siya. Diba guys, ito pa. Here are some. Welcome. Iros people. Ito yung aking umaga. Bago kami mag-breakfast, nag-garden muna kami. Warm up. That's all for the day. Ito mo guys, ang dami ko nakuha, oh. Diba? Parang bouquet of flowers. Oh, katabi ko pa yung aking cherry baby. Oh, hop. Have a safe day, everyone. God bless. Bye.